Medscape India is my dream project and it is working since 2006.
This organization is the first organization which is giving awards to the medical personalities who have worked as a pioneering, particularly in that particular field.
Medscape India has got a big body together which compiles cardiology, radiology, gynecology, all the branches has come from medicine, and along with that dental, Ayurveda, pharma, physiotherapy, the branches we have never met, they have also come together to support the cause.
All the different categories, we had different jury from their respective fields. They have come together from various parts of Maharashtra.
When Dr. Sunita Dubey came to me, explained me what they want to do, I readily agreed because we were going to get all the specialists under one roof.
She is taking a task which nobody has done previously, neither in the state nor into the country. And I thought that I should join this and dedicate myself to this cause.
Being a jury, what I was looking at, the number of years of service the person has done, and I emphasize how much of service has been done by the professional in rural area.
How they are recognized in the medical education, how they are recognized as a doctor. So these are the different categories in which markings are being done, and accordingly the awardee will be chosen.
Selecting winner was a very difficult task because there are many contestants, because you have to select across the Maharashtra.
We could have given more number of awards had it been in my hands.
Medscape India Award has got 21 category and all 21 category had 21 body. For this award, we had almost sent the emailer and nomination more than 3 lakh people. So we had 2000 total nomination we have received in 21 bodies. After 2000, we have selected 21 people.
As a jury, it gives a great pleasure to see that everybody who had been nominated for these awards, they all deserve, in their own way, a separate prize.
Let these awards inculcate a best value in the minds of doctors, so they start in believing, giving their best to the society.
I want to thanks to all my jury and advisory member and people who's working behind the scene. Everyone, I want to say thank you, and I want them to realize this is a genuine cause where really we can come together and make a difference in society. We can do a lot of things together, and definitely for that, till you all don't get involved, it's not possible. So it's a teamwork which we are going to represent Medscape India, and I'm thankful to all of them, of course the people who have come over here and listening to me. Thank you so much.